Street's coming in.
We're the Untamed Science Adventure Team.
We work from a clubhouse in a tree.
Exploring our world and its mysteries. Lifelong learning, discovery. Untamed Science. Go adventuring.
Oh, we got an incoming. And...
Hi, I'm Natalie. How do scientists do experiments?
all right, Danny, what do you have?
All right, when studying science, you've got to use a process that focuses on asking questions about the world around you.
You have to first make an observation and then form a question called a hypothesis. Next, you need to design an experiment that will help you test your hypothesis. After that, collect the data, and then you've got to draw conclusions from your data to prove if your hypothesis was right or wrong. And last, communicate your results by telling others what you've learned.
All right, let's get Haley to show us a real experiment with... Is that tomato soup?
That's right, Rob. I want to find out which brand of paper towel is going to soak up more of a tomato soup mess. So I have 2 brands of paper towels, and my hypothesis is that brand B is going to soak up more than the other because it's thicker. So let's conduct the experiment and collect the data.
It's important to keep all the variables the same, except for one variable. In this case, the only variable that's different is the thickness of the 2 paper towels.
Take a look at this. Now I can interpret the results and come to a conclusion. Brand B soaked up more soup than brand A, and I can even infer why brand B did a better job, maybe because it's thicker. Finally, I can write a report that will summarize the experiment and explain the results. Back to you at the clubhouse.
Thanks, Haley. I wonder if there's another way we can explain this.
I observed a mess on my kitchen floor and wondered which towel best would absorb. Am I a scientist?
No, not yet a scientist.
A thicker paper towel, I'd be willing to guess, is going to be much better for cleaning up this mess. Am I a scientist?
No, not yet a scientist.
I will find a way to test out what I'm guessing to be true. Then collect my data and use the results so I can try and prove my hypothesis. Now I can say that my research shows the paper towel that is thicker, that's the way to go. Am I a scientist?
Indeed!
I'm a scientist.
So we know that scientists do experiments by starting with a question.
Then, by making a hypothesis and designing a procedure, well, you're ready to get your experiment started.
And this process really helps scientists study the world by comparing results and conclusions.
And usually when you finish an experiment, that leads to a lot more questions, which is another good reason to never stop exploring your world. Oh, look at this question.